Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can track your screen time on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the battery and device care. It's over here and you have to tap on it. And on the setting, you have to select the battery option, this one. And after that, if you want to check your screen time on your Android phone, you can simply tap on this graph like this. And wait for a moment, it's still loading. Okay, and this is my battery usage, which shows my screen time on my Android phone. And if you want to check the screen time of each application, you can scroll down like this, and this is the screen time of each application on my Android phone. You can also check your screen time for the last 7 days right here. Then you can tap on the graph like this to check the screen time of each day for the last 7 days. Alright guys, and that's how we can track screen time on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.